In this video, we will learn how to change the brand name from a previously configured brand within the admin console. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console, then navigate to Customizations and click on Brands. From there, select the brand name you want to change. Navigate to the Settings panel, then the brand name. Click Edit. From here, you can change the brand name. Make sure to click Save and save your changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.